Exams can be stressful, but with the right approach, you can succeed. Let's look at 10 key steps to prepare for your school exams. Step 1. Organize your study materials. Gather all your notes, textbooks, and relevant materials in one place. This will help you stay focused and avoid wasting time searching for resources. Step 2. Create a study schedule. Allocate time for each subject, focusing on your weaker areas. This will help you prioritize your time and ensure you cover all topics. Step 3. Break down material. Divide the content into manageable sections to study over multiple days. This will help you retain information better and avoid burnout. Step 4. Use active learning techniques. Summarize, explain, or teach the material to reinforce understanding. This will help you engage with the content and remember it better. Step 5. Practice with past papers. Solve previous year's exam papers to get a feel for the types of questions. This will help you identify your strengths and weaknesses. Step 6. Take breaks. Schedule short breaks to avoid burnout and improve focus. According to a University of Sussex study, taking breaks can increase productivity and improve results. Step 7. Stay healthy. Get enough sleep, eat well, and exercise to ensure your mind and body are in good shape. This will help you stay focused and alert during study periods. Step 8. Stay positive. Maintain a positive mindset, avoid last-minute cramming, and review consistently. This will help you stay motivated and confident during the exam period. Step 9. Seek help. If you're struggling with a topic, ask teachers, peers, or online resources for clarification. This will help you overcome any obstacles and ensure you're fully prepared. Step 10. Revise regularly. Consistent revision helps solidify your understanding and retain information. This will help you feel confident and prepared for the exam. And there you have it. 10 key steps to prepare for your school exams. Remember, everyone's study methods may vary, so find what works best for you and stick to it.